We can use prepared statements to repeatedly execute the same or similar SQL statements. The two main benefits to using prepared statements include their ability to prevent against a common security threat known as SQL injection, and also they input data much more efficiently into the database. To illustrate how prepared statements work, we'll go over an example. Once you've created this script, save it in your PHP lessons folder. We've named ours prepared.php. In our file, we first start with our database connection. Next, we prepare an SQL statement template that is sent to the database, with certain values left unspecified. These unspecified parameters are labeled with a question mark, as shown here. You can see that this statement would contain 3 parameters. Each parameter would be inputted into the columns first name, last name, and email. We can see the list of parameters down here. These parameters will define the values to be executed with our SQL statement. We have 3 parameters specified. Each parameter has 3 values attached to 3 variables: first name, last name, and email. In order to bind each of these parameters to our SQL statement, we use the bind param function. The bind parameter starts with an argument, SSS, which identifies each variable contained in the parameter as a string. Once we've finished executing the prepared statements, we close the statement and the database connection. Now we can test our script by running it in our web browser. To do so, type the URL to your script in your address bar and press enter. You should see the message "New records created" displayed in your web browser. And to confirm that the records were added in, I'll just refresh the table in phpMyAdmin. This is the users table. And we can see the values have been added. Lewis Hall, Alan Moore, and Dave Jones, as specified in our parameters.